Well, I got my 2018 Acura MDX back from detail. It's looking good. Pretty excited about this vehicle. It's got this huge screen, 3-row seating, even though I don't need it. I have it if I want it. Full leather package, entertainment package, all-wheel drive, all the bells and whistles I ever wanted. Camera. This is my big deal. See it or not. My bird's eye view. And I use this. I'm going to wear the sticker off the button on this sucker so that I don't end up curbing my wheels because I'm infamous for that. That way we can see and look in front end. Pretty excited. Look at that shine. I'll be tagging our detailer. He does excellent work. Never disappointed, William. Never disappointed. Just wanted to give you a little snapshot of my new buggy. I feel all hot to trot now.
Souffle. Golden sunshine with the rays. Shining right in front of me. What? So clutch like I knew by day. I will have no other way. Hey, yo. It's been a long time, I know, but she's still the best one ever to me. And I say, hey, yo. It's been a long time, I know, but she's still the best one ever.